Hi, welcome back. I am Mahmoud from Best Track Learning Point. Friends, now we will see how can we increase our typing speed. Practice by online test. So let's get started. First of all, we go to our desktop screen and select browser. This is our desktop screen. Now we're selecting Google Chrome. Can be use any browser for its loading. Full screen. We will select Google and type here address. We select this address www.10firstfinger.com. Searching, scroll down and select this link. Select this button. Friends, we have seen different category drop down list. We will select typing test advanced top 1000 words. Loading. Already we get the typing test base. This test duration only 1 minute. So we're going to start our test. Friends, already finished our time. We only can complete it 18 words per minute. So friends, those we are wants to increase our typing speed, I will say follow this video and try to practice per day 20 to 30 minutes. I hope we are able to increase our typing speed. So friends, if this video is useful us, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Once I update new video, you will get notification. Bye. Thanks for watching.